What is rainwater harvesting?
Hey, did you see the news today?
What happened?
Drought in Maharashtra is causing farmers to incur huge losses. A lot of them are taking their lives because of it.
That's horrible.
It is.
But I heard there were floods in Chennai only recently.
That's true as well.
This is so weird. Some regions are dying for water and other regions are dying because of water.
Yes, even when we are running short of water. These days, there are frequent water cuts.
This sounds scary. I can't imagine living without water. What can be done to avoid shortage of water?
The first thing that we should all do is not to waste water.
I agree.
Also, it may seem that we have adequate rains here, but the water doesn't percolate to the ground.
You mean rainwater does not reach our groundwater reserves?
Yes.
Where is this water going then?
Earlier, the rain would seep into the ground. But now, we live in cities and towns with concrete buildings and roads. So, the paved roads don't let the water seep into the soil.
So the rainwater just drains away in the gutters? That's such a waste.
Exactly. We depend on the rains in the catchment areas to serve our population, but the rain in the city is wasted.
What is catchment area?
It is the area from which rainwater flows into the rivers and lakes.
Okay. So how do we solve this?
Let's watch this video. This might give us some answers.
Vinod is in a rush to get ready for school. Only to find there's no water.
Oh no! Another water cut. We had a fantastic monsoon this year. Even the roads were flooded. Then why do we have this water shortage?
Like Vinod, most of us fail to understand that heavy rains occur only for a few months during the entire year. This rainwater tends to flow off the surface very quickly and runs into sewers or storm drains. So to utilize rainwater, it must be collected by using some method. One such method is rainwater harvesting. Some traditional systems of rainwater harvesting include the use of ponds, lakes, and reservoirs. These water bodies not just collect rainwater, they also help percolate water back into the ground, improving the levels of the groundwater table. More modern methods of rainwater harvesting include rooftop rainwater systems. These systems consist of a water catchment facility set up on a rooftop. Water from the catchment area is guided through pipes to a filter system. Before the water enters the filter, it passes through two mesh screens. These screens block debris such as leaves and small stones. The filter system generally consists of gravel, sand and charcoal. As the water percolates through these layers, solid impurities are removed. The clear water that comes out is sent to a storage tank or cistern. From the cistern, water can be pumped to the house for use in various household activities. So as we have seen, rainwater harvesting is a great way to conserve water and meet our water requirements.
Rainwater harvesting is so important. I wonder why I never thought of it earlier.
I think we should do it in our building.
I think we can do that in our school too.
You know, a lot of government schools do have rainwater harvesting plants attached.
That's wonderful. After hearing all the water woes, we shouldn't even let a single drop of rainwater get wasted.
I wish everyone thought like you.
They should. All of us use water, so we can't shrug responsibility when it comes to rainwater harvesting.
Well said, Diksha.
Here is what we have learnt.